Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Mean of following data is 25.4. We have to find the value of x. Now mean of of grouped data is given by summation of fi mi divided by summation of fi, where fi is class frequency and mi is class mark. So to find the mean, we first need class mark of each class. So let me write mi here in the table. So mi is equal to 0 plus 10 by 2 is 5. So this is 15. This is 25. This is 35 and this is 45. Now let's write down the values of fi mi multiplication so that we can sum them up right next to the table. So I've made the place for writing the sums. These are the totals we need to find at the end. So frequency multiplied by 5, that is fi into mi, is 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 15 2s are 30 plus 6 is 36, 25x, 16 5s are 80, 16 3s are 48 plus 8 is 56. Now 24 45, so 12 multiplied by 90. So 12 nines are, we know, 108, so this is 1080. So the addition is 25x plus a number. Let me make the bigger place here. Yes, 25x plus, let's see, 60 plus 360 is 420. 420 plus 560 is 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 4 9, so 980. 980 plus 1080 is 8 plus 8 16, 9 plus 1 10, so we get 2060 here. And summation of all the frequencies is, let's see, 12 plus 16, 16 plus 24 is, first we get this, 16 plus 24 is 40, 40 plus 24 is 64, 64 plus 12 is 76 plus x. So from the formula we know mean is equal to summation of fi mi divided by summation of fi. Here mean is given as 25.4. So 25.4 equal to 25x plus 2060 divided by 76 plus x. So if we cross multiply, we get 76 multiplied by 25.4 plus 25.4x equal to 25x plus 2060. So let's perform this multiplication. 76 multiplied by 25.4, we have 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30, plus 5 6 are 30, 7 5s are 35 plus 3 is 38, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 50. 4 0 3 9 1. Decimal point will be over here, so we get 1930.4 plus 25.4x equal to 25x plus 2060. So we can take this over to this side and this over to this. We get No, the other way around. This over to this side and this over to this. We get 25.4x minus 25x equal to 2060 minus 1930.4. So we get 0.4 equal to 0 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the correction here is 129.6. 129.6. Here you have x. So from here we get value of x as 1296 divided by 4. I have simply eliminated the decimal point. So that is 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So x is equal to 324. This is the answer.